I recently participated in a workshop that Lalit did about a whole team testing, and I would just like to share how was the experience. It was a very great environment. It was a mix of different people from different backgrounds in tech. There was me as a tester. There was also developers. There was BO. There was even an agile coach. It was a really cool atmosphere, and he had really good exercises for us, so we could also try to put ourselves in a testing situation, creating test cases and so on. In both me and my colleagues, it felt like something that we could work on ourselves. It was not a pre-made agenda on its own, and we could find ourselves in the role with really great ideas. So I'm here to fully recommend it.